Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices rose, buoyed by economic uncertainties, including the US debt ceiling standoff, as traders braced for inflation readings that could influence the Federal Reserve's interest rate strategy. The dollar inched higher after a loan survey revealed that credit conditions in the United States were less gloomy than expected, while the pound flirted with a one-year peak ahead of this week's Bank of England policy meeting. More than 200,000 Ether have been deposited to the network since the start of the week, data from the on-chain analytics tool Nansen show, marking the first time deposits have outpaced withdrawals since Shapella went live last month.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's 10Y bond auction will be released at 09:30 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index core at 12:30 GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US Consumer Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's Consumer Price Index at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.